everyone, my name is Emily Stevens. I am a registered dietitian at AdventHealth Wesley Chapel. Today we're going to go over a couple heart-healthy recipes. Today we're going to start with our no-bake brownie bites. The base is pretty much going to be walnuts and dates. I have them soaking in water right now just to make it a little bit softer before we grind it up. And then we have our flour, some dark chocolate chips, cocoa powder, and then vanilla extract. Super easy recipe. So the first thing we're gonna do is grab our walnuts, put it in our food processor here. All right, we're gonna give it a good chop. Good, alrighty. So from here on out, it's just super easy. So we'll put in our dates. Gonna scoop it out. We're gonna wanna save the water for later, just in case we need a little bit of extra liquid to make it formed. Then after that, we're gonna grab our flour. So this is gonna be 1/4 cup of flour. Again, sprinkle this in. And then we have our cocoa powder. So again, 1/4 cup of this. And then we have 2 teaspoons of our vanilla extract. So we're gonna wanna grind this up until it's kind of like a pastier texture. And then we'll save our chocolate chips for after, just so we're not grinding those up as well. So for here, it looks like I need to add a little bit more water just to make sure, again, because we're gonna form these into balls. So we need to make sure it's sticky enough. And from here, we wanna add in our chocolate chips. So we can add it in here. Alrighty, so we'll give this a little pulse. I don't want it to be too much, just because again, we don't want to grind up the chocolate chips. We kind of want to leave them whole. Okay, awesome. So now that it's mixed, we're gonna get a little bit messier here. We're gonna use our hands and we're gonna roll them up in a ball. So we wanna easy about like an inch, get a little super messy. We're gonna roll this up, and you see how it's a sticky formed. It's good we added a little bit more water, or else it would have probably fallen apart. So we wanna put this just in a tray like that. So once you guys are done rolling out the bites, we put them in the fridge for about 30-ish minutes. And then we'll take them out. We can put some toothpicks in for serving. And these are really great to even make the day before the big game, because you can store them in the fridge for about 24 to 48 hours. I hope you all can incorporate this into your game day menu, and stay tuned. Look forward to some more recipes later this week on our social media.